Unit 5 Calculations Session 2. At the end of this session, you will learn how to add data to add a new row and column in the given worksheet. Now let's learn how to enter data. Select the cell where you want to enter the data. Here you can see. Let's select the cell where you want to enter the data. Then type your data. It's very simple. Select the cell, then type your data. Okay. So we learn how to enter the data. Okay. So we can enter the exam marks of 5 students in our worksheet. So in order to move to the next cell, either you can use a tab key or you can use arrow keys. Now you can move to the next cell, etc. and enter the marks of 5 students in our worksheet. Now our data is ready. The name of 5 students with marks of 5 subjects. Right? Yes. So we have entered the data. Now our data is ready. Alright? Okay. Now let's move on. Oh my God. We have forgot to type the heading at the top. Right? And also we have forgot to type the serial numbers at the left. So what we'll do now? Okay, it's very simple. Let's add a new row here. Right? Since we want to add a heading at the top, we want to insert a row here. Right? Similarly, in order to type the serial number at the left, we want to insert a column at the left also. Now let's see how we can do this. First of all, let's learn how to add a row. So, click on row header 1 in the first row. Okay. Now the entire row has been selected. You can select the row header where you want to insert your rows. Since I want to insert a row at the top, I have selected the row header 1. If you want to insert a row here, select the row header 14. If you want to insert a row here, select row header 28. So you can select the row header where you want to insert a row. Okay? Alright. So what is the next step? So we have selected the row header. So what is the next step? Yes. Right click on row header. So just after selecting the row header, just make a right click. So we will get a drop down like this. From that, select insert. Okay. So what will happen? Let's see. Yeah, a new row has been inserted for adding headline. Now we have got a new row in order to add our headline. Okay. All right. Now let's see how we can add a column. So in order to type the serial number here, I want to insert a column here, right? So as we did to insert a row, same steps you can follow here also. Select the column header where you want to insert a column. Now I want to insert a column here. So let me select the column header A in the first column. Now the entire column has been selected, right? Okay. Now as we did with the row, just make a right click on the column header. Just make a right click. So we'll get a drop down. From that, click insert. All right. So what will happen? Let's see. Yes, We have got a new column. Now a new column has been inserted. Okay. Now we can type our serial numbers here, right? Okay. Now let's move on. Now you can type the serial number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, mark 5, mark 6 and total in the newly added row and serial numbers 1 to 5 in the newly added column. So in this session we have learned how to enter data as well as we have learned how to add a new row and column to our worksheet. All right. Thank you. That's all for today's class. The next features we will see in our next session. Take care. Bye-bye.